Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to do something very challenging, but since you're almost first graders, I think you are ready. We learned how to add, we learned how to subtract. Now we're going to learn something called a fact family. And a fact family is where you take what you know about addition and subtraction and you create like groups of problems. So we create families. There's four number sentences or four people or four number sentences in a fact family. Two are for adding and two are for subtracting. So I decided to use a domino. I made these dominoes, these really cool big dominoes. And I thought I would use these to help us. So we have 2 on 4 on one side. I'm going to do this side first, 4 and 2. And if we were going to add these together, we would have our number sentence would be 4 plus 2. So let me write that, because that's going to be the first one in our family. 4 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Now we're going to do the turnaround fact. And if you were at my Zoom this week, you learned the turnaround facts are just taking the domino and turning it around, taking the numbers and turn around. Now we have the 2 in the front and then the 4. So we're going to go 2 plus 4 equals 6. So you can see how the 4 switched places and the 2 switched places. That's called a turnaround fact. So the first part of our fact family are 2 addition sentences, and they're turnaround facts. They always have the same number at the end. Now we have to switch and go to our subtraction. So we can think of this as the mom and the dad, and now we need the brother and the sister. So we're gonna have the same card, the same domino. Now this time we're gonna take all the dots together, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna take all the dots. And you'll notice that that number, look at that number 6, is the same as this number over here. 6 minus, and then we're going to see this 4. We're going to pretend that we're going to take away the 4. Minus 4 equals, and then there's 2 dots on this side. Okay. Now, just like we did the top one, we're going to flip it again. See how we flipped it? Now this time, we take all of the dots, which we remember is 6, and when we're going to minus, this time I can subtract 2. And it equals what's on this side, which is 4. And now you can see that these switch places. On the top, they swapped places on this side of the equation. On this side, they swapped on this side. The turnaround fact is on this side. But in this one, both of them end with a 6. But on this one, they both start with the same number, the 6. And that's a fact family. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we should try it one more time. Let's use this one. So I'm going to put that right there. So we're going to start with the 1. We're going to add the 5. And if we add that together, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to turn it around. And this time we're going to start with this side. So we get a 5 plus 1 equals 6. And we can see that these numbers just swapped places and these are the same. Now let's do our subtraction, okay? So when we subtract, we start with the whole domino. The answer is 6. Then we subtract what's on this side, which is 5, and it equals what's on this side, which is a 1. Then we can flip it over again, and we start with the 6, because that's what we have all together. Subtract this side, 1, and it equals this side, which is 5. And that's how you make a fact family Good luck today doing fact families. It's a challenge, but you're ready for it. You're almost in first grade and you're so good at math. So good luck today building your fact family.